Nuclear technology has gotten a bit of a bad reputation in the previous few decades. There have been accidents such as Chernobyl and Fukushima. There are also matters to deal with such as the creation of nuclear weapons, and the fact that radiation poisoning is something that no sane person would wish on even their worst enemy. Nuclear technology has been misused and misunderstood by many for a very long time. However, there are many other uses of this fascinating branch of science. I want to cover some of them to illustrate how nuclear technology doesn't have to be something that ends in complete destruction. Energy. While we're already using nuclear power plants, the stigma and superstition surrounding them are holding them back. With nuclear energy, we can reasonably power our cities without damaging the environment and drastically reduce the chances of repeating something like Chernobyl. While there are several nuances and specifics to how nuclear power plants actually work, the simple explanation is this. When uranium atoms are hit with a neutron, they split in a process known as nuclear fission. When these atoms are split, they release a lot of energy in the form of heat. That heat is then used to boil water. The boiling water produces high-pressure steam. That steam is able to turn turbines. Those turbines are connected to a generator to produce electricity. Since fission results in very high temperatures, there needs to be a cooling system in place as well. For this, heavy water is pumped into the area where the fission happens. Then the heat from the fission is transferred by the heavy water to the steam generators via pipes. That water is then boiled to make steam. There are many other ways that nuclear power plants monitor safety. I'll leave some links about nuclear power plant safety in the description for you to check out on your own time. Transport. Since nuclear power plants only emit steam instead of greenhouse gases, and their waste is already well taken care of, they can be used to help us solve our transport-related problems. They can generate electricity for electric vehicles, or help use their energy to create hydrogen for hydrogen-powered vehicles. It's also used for vehicles such as nuclear submarines, which are powered by onboard nuclear reactors that keep the submarine running. Similar nuclear reactors can be used on ships that need to stay at sea for a long time without refueling, such as military or research vessels. When it comes to transport, nuclear power can actually be very helpful for us. Nuclear medicine. Many people might find the term nuclear medicine to be a paradox due to the amount of radiation poisoning that a nuclear accident can cause. However, nuclear medicine just refers to using small amounts of radioactive materials to perform certain medical tasks. For example, they could be used for diagnosis. A radioactive material is put inside the patient. It's either injected, swallowed, or inhaled by the patient. Then the diagnosis can be made depending on the behavior of the material inside the patient. Another application of nuclear medicine is radiation therapy. Here, a machine uses doses of radiation to kill cancer cells and prevent them from causing major problems in the body. This is commonly used for cancer treatment. Overall, nuclear power has been under a lot of fire. Many people have been afraid of it because of the various disasters that it's associated with. However, nuclear energy has become much safer since then. And it's environmentally friendly, meaning it can help us fight climate change. Nuclear technology has many applications in fields of medicine, transportation, energy production, and more. I encourage you to do your own research into the subject. I hope everyone enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. And as always, leave feedback in the comments. Goodbye, everyone.